Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Eli at Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 in Leeds. You'll have to excuse the noise. Unfortunately, we do have some work going on to enclose the building and new cladding. But you'll have to bear with me because it's raining outside, so I cannot do it outside, so I've got to do it in here to actually keep the car dry. So this is our 2019 GLC 250 petrol automatic. It's the AMG Night Edition. Fantastic spec. It's got the Premium Plus pack. It's a one-owner car plus Mercedes dealer, and it looks absolutely stunning in the Selenite Grey with the night and black packs, giving you the gloss black wheels, the gloss black window surround and wing mirrors, roof rails. You've got the panoramic roof, and then you've also got the gloss black front grille. You've got the side steps there, which is a nice option, which finishes it off beautifully. All your tyres are your matching Pirellis with excellent tread because they've only covered 7,000 miles, and the car is in perfect condition. It's a beautiful colour combination. You've got the privacy glass as well. The car's literally just been detailed by our in-house detailer Daniel, and as you can see, it is glistening like a mirror. Look at that. It is absolutely immaculate. As you'd expect, it's only just a year old. Obviously you've got Mercedes warranty on the car. This car was about £45,000 new, and now you're getting it for £34,000. Just a year old. So let's have a look inside. Power tailgate. Seat drop down there. We've still got the original plastic here on the sill plates. Moving on to the interior at the back, you've got this lovely black open pore trim, which is really nice. You've got the Burmester upgraded sound system as part of the Premium Plus pack, and then you've got the leatherette with the white stitching on the doors and black stitching on the main door card. AMG entrance mats, floor mats I should say, and then obviously the black leatherette interior all the way round. And of course the essential opening panoramic roof. Power lumbar adjust there. You've got the illuminated entry sill plates. Again the mats, excuse my feet prints. That was not there when it was finished cleaning, but unfortunately I can't get into the car and keep it footprint free. You've got the ambient lighting configurable there all the way round. Been a little bit quieter now, ladies and gents. I'm in the car and I've closed the door. I do apologise about all that noise. There's just too much going on today, but needs must. The show must go on. So you've got the open pore dark grain wood trim here again. 2 keys. Cup holders there. And of course you've got your traction control off, power button for this main screen, volume, and then dynamic, which of course changes your comfort, sport plus, eco, and then of course you can also go for like your individual mode if you want to configure it yourself to however you want. So that's nice selection there for you to use. You've got parking cameras on or off, or sensors I should say, and then of course manual, auto stop start on or off, and then you can also control with this touchpad here as well as the wheel. In here you've got USB ports and SD card port. Glove box, currently got the paperwork in, and then of course you've got your electric heated seats with memory settings as part of the Premium Plus pack, as you can see there, and the Burmester audio system, which is fantastic. Keyless entry, exit, start, stop, there's your start button, and then of course automatic lights, rain sensing wipers. I've put all the specification on the ad, and then obviously your multifunction steering wheel. Currently just over 7,000 miles, about 7,600, something like that. And you've got also the wider, bigger screen that you get on the Premium Plus rather than the smaller framed one that comes on the Premium model, or potentially no screen if it's the basic one. And then of course there's your button for your panoramic roof, got your sunglasses holder there, and then lights interior over there. So you've got a mirror there. Climate control is all straightforward as you'd expect. Again, you can use either these controls or these controls to control your options on the main screen, but for the sake of simplicity I'm going to use the wheel here. So navigation, press into select, and then of course you've got radio. Just turn that down, and you've got different sources that you can use to play. So if you press the media button, you can then select media interface 2, Bluetooth audio, CD, memory card, music register, which is probably a hard drive. So yeah, there are numerous different ways you can play music or media through this vehicle. And then of course you've got telephone there, and then your vehicle settings are all fairly straightforward. I've gone through dynamic select options, owner's manual time, vehicle settings. So here you can do things like play around with the various settings on the car. So for example, exterior lighting, interior motion sensors, ambient lighting. So if you want to select the colour difference, you want to go for orange or white, you can do. I'll leave it on blue as it is now. And that is pretty much it, folks. So it's a really nice car. It's the petrol engine which everyone's wanting now, rather than the diesel, which are only available in the 2019 GLCs. It's an immaculate condition all the way through, inside and out. It really is almost as new. Doesn't get much better than this. So we are offering finance, we're offering warranty, we're offering nationwide delivery. Obviously this car comes with warranty because it's only a year old, but if you want a finance package or you want a warranty package, if you want a finance package or you want the car delivered, then please give me a call, drop me a text or an email, and I'm more than happy to try and give you a quote. But to give you an example, delivery is £1 a mile if it's driven, £2 a mile if it's in an enclosed trailer, or £1.50 a mile if it goes on an open trailer. £1.50 open trailer is probably what I'd recommend for this type of vehicle, just so it arrives to you pristine. And that is pretty much it, folks. Our 2019 GLC250 petrol automatic 4MATIC, it's the 4-wheel drive, it's the Night Edition, it's the Premium Plus, and it's got the Kingsbridge added finish to it, which gives you the black wheels, the black grills, etc., which look fantastic and contrast beautifully with that shiny grey bodywork. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, just give me a call. Speak soon. See you on the next video. Hopefully it'll be a bit quieter next time.